Assalamu alaikum. Last time we finished chapter number 12, that's uh, the village blacksmith. Today we are going to start chapter number 13, that's Lumos, bringing light into children's lives. Connect. Tell us about the time when you have felt very cared for by your parents or family. Reflect. What are all the things your family does for you and what do you do for them? Imagine a time when you felt abandoned with no one to care for or help you. Describe what happened, how you felt, and what you did. Okay? So, in Connect, I'll tell you about the time when I was very much cared by my family. Is when I was ill. I was um, I was very much ill, and that at that very point of time, at that very period of time, I was mostly cared by my family. And all time. It's not only when I was ill. I am all time parents or family cares for their kids cares for their children. Okay, so what are all the things your family does for you? This is for you. Okay, for you dear students, that what are all the things your family does for you? What are the things that family does for you? For example, they most importantly, they care for you, they love you, they take care of every need. Okay, whenever you need something, your family always brings it before you. Your family keeps it there for you. Where whatever you need, you demand something and it's in front of you, and it's because of the family. They care for you, they love you, they bring things for you, they bring clothes for you, they bring toys for you, they bring things for you, good things for you, they bring books for you, they bring uniform, they make you study, they pay fee to the school for this, for making you a bright student, for making you a bright scholar, for making you a good human being. Okay, and what does you do for them? Imagine and have a think over it, that what do you do for your family? If they care for you, if they love you, if you demand something and it's before you, and they bring you things, they bring you clothes, they bring you books, they bring you everything, what is that thing that you do for them? Okay, imagine a time when you felt abandoned with no one to care for or help you. Describe what happened, how you felt, and what you did. This question is also for you. You have to imagine that a time when you felt abandoned, when there was nobody, not even family, to care for you or help you. There was no one to care for you. Describe what happened एंड हाउ यू फेल्ट एंड व्हाट यू डिड. सो आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है कि आप कैसे फील हुआ था आपको और आपने क्या किया था. J.K. Rowling, born in 1965, the founder and president of Lumos, was born in England. After university, where she studied French and the classics, she had a number of different jobs, including teaching and researching for Amnesty International, working on human rights abuse in Northern and Western Africa. Her first book, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, was published in 1997. So she was born in 1965, and she is the founder of and president of Lumos. She was born in England, and after university, where she studied French and classics, she had a number of different jobs. So after she finished her university degrees, where she studied French and classics, so she had a number of different jobs, including teaching and researching. So after university, she was teaching and researching for Amnesty International. Amnesty International is an NGO, okay, working on human rights abuse in Northern and Western Africa. So she was working in Amnesty International, and who was working for human rights abuse in Northern and Western Africa. Her first book, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, was published in 1997. That book was published in 1997, and 6 subsequent Harry Potter novels followed. And after that, 6 novels of Harry Potter. The 7 books have been made into 8 films. So 8 films have been made on these 7 books, the last of which was released in July 2011. So last of the Harry Potter was released in July 2011. Sorry. Lumos is a charity founded by J.K. Rowling. It's a charity. Charity means which. Charity means which takes care of poor children or poor people. It's a charity founded by J.K. Rowling. In 2004, after seeing an article in the Sunday Times about children being kept in caged birds in institutions. So, Lumos is a charity founded by J.K. Rowling. In 2004, after seeing an article in the Sunday Times about children being kept in caged birds in institutions. So, she founded a charity after she saw in Sunday Times about children, after she heard about children that were kept in, who were kept in caged beds in institutions. They were caged, okay. J.K. Rowling felt compelled to address this terrible problem. So इसी चीज़ ने उसको मजबूर किया क्या इस प्रॉब्लम को एड्रेस करने में, इस प्रॉब्लम को उजागर करने में, लोगों के सामने दिखाना कि ये प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली है क्या. द चिल्ड्रन वी आर केज्ड इन इंस्टीट्यूशंस. As a result, she founded the charity that became Lumos. So after this, she founded a charity. The charity was named as Lumos. In 2007, J.K. Rowling auctioned a copy of one of the 7 special editions of The Tales of Beedle the Bard, which raised 1.95 million. I think it's rubles, okay? For Lumos. So what she auctioned a copy of one of the 7 special editions. She had a special edition, and the name of the edition was the Tales of Beedle the Bard. She auctioned this. Auction means boli lagana, ठीक है? So which raised 1.9 million for Lumos. So this auction raised 1.95 million for Lumos. In December 2008, the book was widely published in aid of the charity and became the fastest selling book of that year. So in 2008, this book was widely published. This was published worldwide, and this helped in the charity and became the fastest selling book of that year. And this auction helped in the foundation of Lumos, and with the help of Lumos was a charity. With the help of Lumos, she helped those children that were caged and that were very poor. Tomorrow we will study the lesson. It was introduction for today. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself.